the good people of Banwang Panganay, Binalbagan, a pleasant morning to all of you. The Binalbagan Elementary School started its band in the year 1987, and it was founded by Mrs. Nancy Guerrero. Members are wearing their school uniform as their band uniform. In the year 1992, it was handed down to the advisory of the retired teacher, Mrs. Linda Gaugel, until 2001. It was the time that red and white color of band uniform was created. And as Mrs. Gaugel retired in 2002, the band advisory was turned over to Mrs. Mary Ann Vilas Piñas and handled it until 2009. It was in her advisory that band uniform was changed to blue and yellow. On the year 2010 and 2013, Mrs. April Shah take over the advisory and modifies and changes the band uniform design. It was 2014 that band uniform was changed to what it looks now. And it is under the advisory of yours truly, Mrs. Maria Fidel Pesca de Dios, with my assistant advisors, Ms. Margot Pesca and Mr. Samuel Sanier III. From the year 1990s up to the present, the band was under the trainership of Mr. Franz Duay. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome the drum and bugle corps of Binalbagan Elementary School.
Honorable Mr. Emmanuel I. Aranda, our Municipal Mayor, guests, Honorable Board of Judges, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. We are here gathered at this moment to witness the exciting competition of all drum and bugle corps as one of the highlights of Balbagan Festival to provide you with more entertaining presentation for our skill. And I'm proud to present to you the Binalbagan Elementary School Drum, Lyre, and Bugle Corps District of Binalbagan 1. I am Abigail Alegre.